Today we are at Lekki Pride one of the projects of Zealous Group at Ajiwe Ajah. So we are going to show you something about this estate. It was done around 2021-2022, and today people are living in it. So let's go. As I told us earlier, this is the inside of Lekki Pride Ajiwe Ajah, just close to Abraham Adesanya. This project was launched in 2021, 2022, and today people are living here. You can see there are occupants, there are residents. You can see the transformer, the utility facilities. There is some apartments. Some of the stuff that are done here is 3-bedroom, semi-detached, 1-bedroom apartment, and all the rest of it. When this place was sold, the 3-bedroom semi-detached here was around 50 million. But with the current market reality, if you want to acquire this property today, like 3-bedroom or 4-bedroom semi-detached within this environment, is around 150 to 200 million naira. That's to tell you that those who invested this place within 2021, 2022, they are already on money, capital gain appreciation of up to 100 million naira, up to 100 and something million naira. And the rental value in this location is nothing less than, if it's 3-bedroom semi-detached, it's nothing less than 5 to 6 million naira. And if it's 4-bedroom flat, it's nothing less than 7 million naira. So you can imagine. So this is one of our success stories. Lekki Pride Ajiwe Ajah, which has been done by Zealous Group. That's to tell you that we have projects that have already been delivered, and we still have ongoing projects. So if you are interested in investing in real estate, contact the number around this.